So in today's video, we are gonna create that kind of multiple clones effect or rotating effect in After Effects. So let's get into it. Assalamualaikum. My name is SHAFQAT and you are watching Skill Spark. A new day, a new creativity. So let's get to our animation. First of all, you have to create a new composition. Your composition will be 1920 by 1080p. And we will rename it as May. After that, you have to drag your video. There's a video, port it and drag it to your timeline. Control Shift Alt G to set it according to your composition. After that, go to that point where you wanna apply that effect at 2 seconds. Create a duplicate of that video. For that, press Ctrl plus D to duplicate it and press Enter to rename it. We will rename it as Roto. Then delete the previous part of the video. For that, press Alt and left square bracket. Then double click on your roto layer and go to the roto brush tool, apply on it. Yeah. At that point, when you have to minimize the selected part, press Alt and drag the cursor to the part which you don't want. Like that. Then your dot will convert into red and it will minimize the extra part. Yeah, like that. Now it's good. Freeze frame so that it will roto the selected part from start to the end of that video. So after completing the roto process, you have an object without the background and the object with background. Go to the main composition. Now it's all about your keyframes. Go to this and we will change its anchor point. For that, we'll press Y, change its anchor point. There it's anchor point at the middle. Click it and drag it to the corner of that car. Press V to go to the selection mode. Select the roto layer. Press R to go to the rotation. A keyframe here. Then go to the 20 frames. Further move it to 6 degree. Yeah, it's good. After that, go to this option. Copy the last keyframe. Control C and then paste it by press Control plus V. Then go to 20 frames further and make it 0. Yeah, it's good. Now let's ease these keyframes by press Control, by press F9. Now let's see what have we got. Yeah, it's good. Now it's time to manage its graph, speed graph. If your graph is looking different, make sure the speed graph is selected, not the value graph. After that, click on it and drag them here. Select them and drag them to the right side. Now let's see. Here's the result. After that, make multiple copies of that roto layer. Click on it and press Ctrl plus D again and again to make multiple copies of it. Yeah, I think 6 are good. And the most important thing, press Ctrl S to save this project. Sometime if the After Effects crash, all your project will go to trash. So that's why you have to save your project after every 5 to 10 minutes. Now it's time to play with the keyframes. Press all of that roto layers. Press U to go to keyframes and we have to change the value of second keyframe. The first one was 6. The second will be 12. The third will be 18. Fourth will be 24. Fifth will be 30. Sixth will be 36. Now we simply have to copy these keyframes and paste it here. For that, go to the next keyframe. Simply click on it, press Ctrl C and press Ctrl V. It will automatically paste to that keyframe. Then go down, press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Repeat this process again and again until you get to the last one. Yeah, it's good. Now let's see. Recompose this project and we'll rename it as car clones. Hit OK. And now add a time ramping on. We'll apply the second keyframe at that point where our animation is started. Like here, we'll apply a keyframe here and drag the keyframes there. Yeah. Click on it, press F9 to ease it. Then go to the graph and drag it here. Now let's see what have we got. And this is the final result of our video. You can also create that kind of effect with any product you want. This is as simple as you see. So hit the like button if you like that video and subscribe my channel if you want more videos like that. I have already uploaded that video on YouTube. You can also get the link of that sound effects I have used in this video. These links are in description. See you in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.